Why do Ethiopians celebrate Hosanna? Each year, as the sun rises over the highlands of Ethiopia, communities come alive in a vibrant celebration known as Hosanna. But what is the story behind this cherished tradition? Hosanna, observed on Palm Sunday, commemorates the triumphant entry of Jesus into Jerusalem as told in the Gospels. Crowds welcomed him by spreading palm branches along his path, shouting Hosanna in the highest. This act symbolized honor and recognition of his spiritual kingship. In Ethiopia and Eritrea, Hosanna transcends its biblical origins, symbolizing purity, and participate in processions, waving palm and olive branches. The atmosphere is one of joy, unity, and spiritual reflection. Today, Hosanna remains a cornerstone of cultural identity for Habesha communities worldwide, from rural villages to bustling cities. The celebration fosters a sense of belonging and continuity, bridging generations through shared faith and heritage. Today, Hosanna is more than a religious observance. It's a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and community. As palm branches sway and voices rise in song, the spirit of Hosanna continues to inspire and unite, intertwining with local customs and traditions. Worshippers don white cotton garments,